Hi. So this is what we've been working on so far. This is the Labyrinth engine, and this will be the main scene. I have put in some rudimentary dungeon inside with some enemies. Um, I have worked on the visual effects and most of the UI. So let me show you what we've created. Okay, so far there is the health globe, the mana globe. There are different windows, however, they are mostly empty so far. Um, and I have created some options, um, or a menu with a save and load possibilities, and an exit game. Um, and yes, so there are a few abilities. There is a slowing bomb ability. There is a rain of arrows ability. There is a mm, cone area, cone of gold arrows, and there is a cast time ability, the E, which fires a poison arrow after a delay. So far, these abilities are the ones that work. Yeah. Mm, the enemies and the player takes damage, as you can see. They can be killed. There is a range at which the enemies can attack from, and yes, that is basically what we've created so far. Um, the player character can and will also die, and we can respawn, and this will restart the whole scene. There is also an implemented save and load um, system, which will save the scene you're on and where each character is. So save 1, we save this, we move, we get attacked by too many enemies, we load, and we get back here. When we will have multiple scenes, then you can also shift scenes back. It will also shift back to the scene that you were on. And yes, that is what we've created so far.